neck high in the sky. Big brown spots and big brown eyes. All the monkeys twirled, all the zebras pranced. She stared at her feet, said, I just can't dance. But God made me tall, God made me strong, gave me my own little wiggle song. I don't have to match every single move, 'cause God made me different, and that's good news. Yeah, God made me different, and that's good news. Oh yeah! The boys on the hill shuffled in a line. Come on, try a step, you'll be doing fine. She swayed left and right in her spotty shoes. Her knees went knock and her tail went whoosh. Is it silly if I sway this way? Is it wrong if I clap off beat? What if funny is the way I praise, with a long, long neck and some shaking feet? But God made me tall, God made me strong, gave me my own little wiggle song. I don't have to match every single move, 'cause God made me different, and that's good news. Boys, God made you different, and that's good news. Hey! So stomp your boots or tap your toes, wave your arms or wrinkle your nose. Every crazy move can be a prayer when you thank the Lord for how you're made so rare. So rare. 'Cause God made us tall, God made us small, short and skinny, big and soft and all. We don't have to dance all the same way too. God gave us each something special to do. Yeah, everyone's different, and that's good news. Now the giraffe sings loud, spins in grassy shoes, head held high in her spotty grooves. She laughs and she leans in a happy dance, saying, thank you, Lord, for my tall girl prance.